Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel DIY Craft Videos. How are you all guys? Hope you all are fine and good. In this video today I will going to show you fabric pumpkin and jute rope pumpkin craft ideas, fabric pumpkins, patterns and other pumpkin craft ideas. Autumn has arrived and it's time to start decorating. Adorn your house for the season with these free pumpkin patterns. Don't break the bank on decorations when there are so many great homemade projects available for free. Right here. From placemats to wall hangings, there are plenty of free pumpkin patterns to make and sparkling around your house. Check out these 38 fabric pumpkin patterns and other pumpkin craft ideas for some great project ideas. There is no better way to celebrate the fall season than with these adorable pumpkin patterns. Free and easy to make. These pumpkin craft are the perfect things to make to help get everyone ready for fall. Plus, they can be left out from Halloween until Thanksgiving. These are free simple swing patterns are perfect to make for yourself or to give to others as a gift. If you are looking for oodles of fabric pumpkin patterns to scatter all around your house this fall, look no further than this section of pumpkin themed fall decor. Most of these pumpkin patterns are not specifically for Halloween, so you can leave them out all autumn long. Learning how to make a pumpkin will be super easy if you just follow one of these handy pictures. Our adorable pumpkin craft ideas are a great way to boost your fabric stash too. Harvest fresh scarp pumpkins. This is an adorable way to put your fat quarters to good use by creating some easy and super cute fall decor. With this pumpkin swing patterns, you can mix and match your favorite fall prints to design a whole patch of fabric pumpkins. Country fabric pumpkins. Decorate your home for Halloween this year by swing Halloween decorations like these. This swing project is quick and easy, making it the perfect activity for a fall day when you can sit in your cozy home creating. Fabric pumpkin. Make a fabric pumpkin to decorate your home for fall or Halloween. Just follow this fall craft idea, which is so easy. You can make several in one sitting. So guys, stay with me and keep watching my videos. In this video, you will see amazing ideas. So don't go anywhere guys, stay with me and keep watching my videos. If you are my new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the daily latest updates. So guys, keep watching my videos. Remember me in your prayers. Please do share my videos as much as you can. I will be back soon with my new videos with my new ideas. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.